my dear kids. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. And also, you all enjoyed your holidays, right? And you started learning your lessons also, right? Okay. Welcome to computer class. This is your new computer teacher, myself, Minnie. Okay. I hope you all learned till chapter 3. Today we are going to learn Chapter 4, Computer Keyboard. Have you ever seen computer keyboard before? Yes, the computer keyboard will be like this in the picture. If you want to write something in a paper or a notebook, what you will do? What you will use? Yes, you will use pen or pencil to write on a paper, right? Can we write in computer? Do you know? Can we write on computer monitor? Yes, we can write. How we will write? Will you use a pencil or pen to write on a computer monitor or keyboard? No. So, in computer also we can write by using the keyboard. Okay. To write on a computer we are using computer keyboard. In that computer keyboard we have some keys. Okay. When we press the keys on the keyboard, that letter or the number or the symbol will be displayed on the computer monitor. Okay. We can type by pressing keys on the computer keyboard. Computer keyboards are of different types. Okay. Some keyboards have 101 keys only. But some of the keyboards have not 4 keys or more keys also. So, you do one thing. You just take your computer keyboard and count the keys and let me know. Okay? In this computer keyboard, many types of keys are there. Okay? We will learn the types of keys on the keyboard. This keys only used us to write on the computer monitor. Okay? Let's learn about types of keys. The first key is alphabet keys. And the next type numeric keys. Space bar, enter key, backspace key and delete key. Okay, come let's learn one by one. Okay. The first type is alphabet keys. What does mean by alphabet? You all know, right? You have learned last year itself about alphabets. Yes, A to Z. The alphabet letters will be present on the keyboard. Can you see this in this picture? But it will not be in a same order, okay? See that yellow color shaded keys are alphabet keys. The alphabets A to Z are misplaced, right? It will not be in the order, okay? These alphabets keys are used for typing letters and words. To type your name or your school name or your parents' name, friend's name, you will use these alphabet keys, okay? Okay, I gonna give one work for you. You just take your page number 30 on your computer book, textbook, and do color the letters of your name in blue on the keyboard picture. Okay, you just color your name alphabets will be there na, that you have to color in blue. You have to color in blue color, okay, on the keyboard. On keyboard picture will be given in your book, and that you are going to do. And then count the total number of alphabet keys and write. Okay, you just count the alphabet keys and write down one line will be given, okay, number of alphabet keys like that they have given, you just write there. And the third thing, write the top row alphabet keys of the keyboard. The alphabet keys are in 3 lines, right? You have to write top row alphabet keys, okay? Will you do? Yes, you will do. You are good children. Okay, let's learn about next type, that is number keys. By saying number itself you can understand, right? Number means is 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the numbers, right? Okay. In our keyboard, numbers will be given, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. This number keys are called numeric keys, okay? This number keys are called numeric keys. There will be 2 set of numeric keys, okay? Can you see in this picture? 2 set of numeric keys are there. The colored keys are number keys, okay? Here in each keyboard there will be 2 groups of numeric keys, okay? These number keys are used for typing numbers. If you want to type numbers on the computer, you have to press these keys. Okay dears, then the next type key is space bar, and the next type key is space bar. The longest key on the keyboard is called space bar. The longest key, when you see the keyboard, there will be only one key is the longest. That key is called space bar. Actually, this space bar is used to insert blank spaces between 2 words or letters, okay? If you want to make a space between 2 letters or 2 words, then you have to press this space bar key. There is only one space bar key on the keyboard. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay my dears, I hope you all understood. And the next work I gonna give to you, the next assignment, okay? Take page number 31 and color all the numeric keys in green and count all the number keys and write, okay? First you have to color the numeric keys in a green color. There in page number 31 there will be 2 keyboards are given, okay, for the assignment. In the first keyboard you have to color the number keys in green color and you have to count all the number keys and write down. And the next keyboard, what you are going to do is color the keys that form the number 2049 with respective color. Have you seen the number is given with different color, right? 2 is given as red and 0 in black color, 4 in yellow color, 9 in blue color. You have to color the respective number keys with the respective colors, okay? So 2 assignments were given to you, right? So you have to do and take a snapshot and send to me personally, okay? Okay my dears, go through here once again, learn it well. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.